Hi, I'm Tim Brownell, the Director of Solid Waste for Deschutes County, and we're out at the Negus Transfer Station just in the northeast corner of Redmond. And we want to walk you around the new Negus Transfer site that we've been building over the last year and a half and will be opening in the next month. This is a sneak peek of what you're going to experience when you come on out here. All right, so right behind me is one of the new features that you will come to see when you use the Negus Transfer site. So we've put in scales for when you come and deliver solid waste so we can accurately measure the materials that you're delivering. Previously, you would come and pay by volume. We would estimate the volume you were delivering of your solid waste. Here, we'll actually weigh your vehicle when you come on the site, and after you've delivered your material to the building, we will then weigh you on your way out and charge you according to the pounds that you deliver. This scale is very similar to the setup that we have at Knott Landfill if you've ever used that transfer station there. So up until this time at Negus, we had been accepting solid waste outside with customers as well as franchise trucks unloading materials into the top of transfer trailers, either by hand or tipping the vehicles directly into the trailers. This was done outside, whether it was raining, snowing, people were having to hand unload over gates and into the top of those containers. Subsequently, what we've done is built a much larger facility, an indoor 40,000 square foot transfer building that will allow the customers to dispose of their waste more safely by being inside and out of the elements, as well as more efficiently, and that folks can unload their material directly on the floor, and then we will use equipment to load it into the transfer trailers so that they're ready to then transport that to Knott Landfill outside of Bend. This facility is well lit, clean, will allow us to control the elements more so that we aren't having wind-blown litter, as well as safer operations for the public. So after you've come across the scale and weighed in, the site attendant will direct you around to the east side of the building. And this door behind me is the point at which your vehicle will access the new transfer station. So you'll drive right on in, and there will be staff here that will direct you around, will wave you to where exactly in the building they'll want you to bring your materials and dump. So as you come into the building, you'll see a lot of light, well lit. There's skylights and ample space for almost 20 vehicles to be able to tip at one time inside this building. We'll take you over to the area, the tipping area, where we will then be loading the vehicles for transporting the waste back to the landfill. We usually will have 2 employees on the tip floor, as well as 2 employees in equipment, pushing the materials and packing the materials in the truck. And then the 2 site attendants will be directing the traffic and your vehicle where they want you to tip that material here on the floor. We have these fenced gates that will make sure that people won't fall into the transfer. So you'll drop your material right here on the floor, and then from here, when they're ready to load those trailers, they'll lift these gates up, and a piece of equipment will push the material, the solid waste, down into the trailer down in this bay down below. We anticipate that we'll be loading anywhere between 10 and 15 transfer trailers a day up here to take the waste from the Redmond and North County, as well as the Sisters area, back to Knott Landfill for disposal. We're very excited to open this facility up to the public. We're scheduled to open it on May 20th, Monday, May 20th. We're going to be operating here as normal, 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. This has been a project that's been at least 4 years in the making, from conception to design to construction. It's been a big effort by the department and by the entire county and county board of commissioners. We're very excited to be able to have this facility to serve this community up here in Redmond and the areas all around the north part of the county. We hope you find this meets your needs, and we're looking forward to seeing you here. Thank you very much. See you soon.